Alright folks, welcome back to the Iron Rose Ranch. We are working on power to the 40 by 60 house, which is a shop, house, whatever you want to call it. So right now we got a temporary pole set up out here, and this has been here for about 3 months, and we had power ran out here and have absolutely used it for nothing. But now we got a shop built, so we need power to it. So what we're going to do is come from our main power down this pole to a 400 amp service. You don't need a 400 amp, but we're doing it because I'm not coming back and redoing it later, because I don't have enough amperage for whatever we're going to be doing out here and to supply the shop. So we're doing a 400 here, we're going 200 back to here, and then we're going to split again and go 200 to the shop. Let me show you what we got going on. So what we're going to do, I think, is I already dug the trenches out whenever I got the skid steer stuck and had to rent an excavator. Went ahead and dug the trenches when I had it. So we're going to take all this down and put a outside breaker panel out here for 200 amp. Power company is going to come and run underground cable to here once we set that. And yes, it's much cheaper for them to do it, even though you're going to pay for it in the long run. But to have the power company run the cable versus you buying it and running it yourself. And that's going to go to here. Now we've already got a 200 amp meter base set here on the shop. So what we got, 200 amp service. Your power company should give you these whenever you tell them you're going to run power. So anyway, what the power company will do is they'll come up in the bottom, I think, or they'll come to the top of it, and they're going to have jumpers here and here. Instead of setting the meter base, they'll just jump it from here to here. They'll come in the top, and then we'll come in from the bottom and go into the shop, and I'll show you what we got in here. We're also going to run 3-inch rigid on the top of the 400 up to where they'll tie into it, and then 2-inch, I think that's 2, maybe 1.5, I can't remember. Yeah, 2-inch schedule 40 out of the bottom of the 400 amp service, going each way. So what we got over here is our panels. We're going to have one on the left supplying where the living quarters is going to be, which is over here. It's going to be a 20 by 40 with an upstairs bedroom. And then on the right side is going to be for the shop half supply. So we shouldn't have the shortage of power out here. Maybe overkill, but I have no idea what we're going to be doing out here. And I am not about to come back and redo a bunch of shit when I could have done it right the first time. That's where we're coming in the side of the building. Yep. And that's going to be our power layout. And as we install it, I'll add more.